Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and today this is our latest episode in our BOHO junk journal series featuring this cool ribbon slide option. So we're just going to show you how to put this in a junk journal page and how to make it sort of function the way we want it. So all right, here we go. So we got a little design deal going on here. So I'm thinking that I want this to be right about here, and I'm gonna get that glued down. I'm basically gonna take a piece of ribbon. I have my spine over here, so I need a little bit, like a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch of this page to be not have decoration on it. At any rate, so that's why I'm not going all the way to the edge. All right, and then I'm just gonna put a strip of glue right along the edge there. Right along that edge. And then that should butt it right up against there, and I'll just let it dry a bit. But just so you know, I have I have 2 slots in this piece of ephemera, so it can just kind of slide right along there. So let me make sure I got this straight so it slides correctly. So, and then this way we can see just how far it goes, because I'm going to be putting images underneath there. So I have these little coins that are going on these little labels that I have, and so we're kind of getting a page layout in combination with, oh, do I want to put that this way? This way? I think that way. And now, because of the slide option, I'm really gonna want this item to be glued down very well, so there's not any little bits and corners and coming up, so it doesn't get caught. So you want to make sure that you, oh, and I am using Fabrifix glue for those of you who are interested. But I really don't want any of these little edges to come up in the process. So I'm just gonna put that right here. And then I'm going to put a little effort here into making sure every single edge is staying where it should be. And then I'm just going to slide that one over. All right, and then I've got this other one over here. And then this is another coin, image of a coin. Missed a little edge there. Okay. That's my coin. And then again, I'm going to make sure I get glue up into all those tips. I really don't want it to catch. So I want that to be glued as firmly as possible. Okay, so we'll get it positioned the way I want it, and then apply that there. Straight. Okay, and then this will just kind of slide right along to display one or the other. How fun is that? Okay, I like it. All right, I think it might be fun to maybe have a little piece of fabric underneath our top label. but I don't want to interfere with a slider either. So I don't know. Is this the one I want? Maybe. Just a little bit of pink showing through. Okay. So I'm just gonna add, ooh, that side's pretty. Some glue on each side of that. Okay. Oh, I hope I did that the right way. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And then it'll be like that. Its final resting position. Whatever that means. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, I have that on there. And you can use a little bit of an X-Acto knife. I used this hole punch. I'll just show you the size of it. And I made sort of a line of hole punches like that. So that was about the width of the opening that you need. So you want it to be, you know, loose enough that the ribbon slides pretty freely. You don't want it a narrow slit. So, you know, this is what that hole size is, and then I just made a line. You can also use your craft knife and kind of cut it out, or if you have a punch that works that is that size, that would be good too. I know there's some punches for different things that are around that size, so that might work too. Okay. This is another little bit of pretty we're gonna add to this page that I thought was really boho looking. Just put it there. I think that's pretty centered. And then we're gonna add some this little fabric bits. Oh, my glue's having some trouble today. Hold on. Okay. And when I glue fabric, I usually try to glue the thickest points so that just in case the glue seeps through or is thick enough to seep through the type of fabric that it won't show. So put that there. Well, hopefully that's oh good. Make sure that's out of the way. Okay, and now we've got one piece over here. That kind of bothers me. I'm just gonna glue that down. There we go. And again, I'm not going over all the way to the edge, so if you notice I'm doing that, that's why I'm doing it. It usually doesn't. This is just a different kind of a binding. I'm doing binding the pages after I'm done, so I can have a little hang off the end. That's fine. Okay, so there is another boho page. It says make things happen. It's got my coins hidden and the fun slider for a little, you know, interactivity, because we love interactive features in our junk journals, right? All right, so if you don't have boho, obviously this is just a really fun piece to put in any kind of a journal. So hope you enjoyed that, and as always, thanks for coming along. If you're interested in finding out more about me, you can always check the links in the description, and I will talk to you later.